Scorpio, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique, but before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is inner strength. Dig deep, my Scorpios. I need you to be courageous. I need you to have that confidence that you know that you have deep and down inside. You wear it on the inside. And I need you to throw that and wear that on the outside. Consistently confident in your gifts. Show up and show out and keep on going. I know that you've been putting out your gifts and you've been advertising yourself. You've been showing putting your products on the shelf, putting your talents on the shelf, showing up on the stage. I need you to continue to do that. When you show up and show out, it does exhaust you. It is exhausting to actually be great, but you are great. But you keep on digging deep and you continue to transition and finish the end of this leg of this race, the last 20 meters strong, leaving this season, starting strong into the next season will make a huge difference in your life, and you'll be proud of yourself and the outcomes. Nothing moves me from my path to light because I have complete confidence in myself. I realize my innate qualities and abilities, and I know that with God, I can do anything. You're unstoppable. You're magical. You always win, and we all love you. I need you. The world needs you. Continue to show up, show out, and be strong. All the power I need is within me. Exercise that. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.